How to remember the variables in science experiments. A variable is a factor that can be changed in a science experiment. Identifying the variables is important in helping us make experiments fair, and knowing about variables can help us make scientific predictions and also how to test our predictions. There are three main variables, being the independent, dependent, and control variables. The independent variable is the factor that we change. The dependent variable is the factor that we measure or test, and the control variables are the factors that we keep the same. But how can I simply remember the names of the variables? Just use three words, which our hammer says are, I don't care. 3 words. I don't care. Independent, dependent, and control.
That's amazing!
And one more thing. The way to remember the independent variable, the one factor that we change, is that 1 looks like an I, and we change only one factor, the independent variable.
Wow!
The 3 variables used in science experiments, the independent, dependent, and control variables. Do watch our video about how to identify the variables in experiments.
Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!